Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can view your friends' activity on Spotify. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. Normally, when you're logged into a Spotify application, by default, your friends' activity sidebar will be available in the right-hand side corner, and you'll be able to see friends' activity something like this in the interface. In case you're not able to see this kind of interface, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on the three dot icon located in the top left corner of your screen. As you click on the icon, a drop-down menu appears, and from there you need to click on View. And after you click on View, right at the bottom you have an option as Friends Activity. So you need to click on it, and then you'll be able to see this kind of interface. You'll only be able to see your friends' activity if you've enabled to turn on Show Activity, or you have connected your Spotify application with some other social media platform such as Facebook and Instagram. And that is how you can see your friends' activity on Spotify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.